It's time to experience legendary performance infused with trail-rated, DNA-packed into the most advanced Jeep Wrangler ever. The new Wrangler is not only the ultimate adventure machine, but it is also commemorative of the rich 80-year legacy of the Jeep Wrangler. 80 years of passion, adventure, authenticity, freedom, heritage, and the ones who made it all possible, the Jeep family. Go anywhere, do anything is a way of life, not just a slogan. Now that we've seen the best of the new Wrangler, it's time to unveil this beast. Before that, let me introduce our distinguished guests for this evening. Let me first introduce, of course, Miss Nivedita Satish, a well-known name in the Tamil film industry. She has made her acting debut in the Tamil industry. She has also acted in films like Magalir Mattam and many others. She's also part of the Telugu film industry. No introduction required when it comes to this rising star. She made our country proud by representing India at the Global Beauty Pageant, Miss Super Pride or Miss Super Globe 2019. Oh, I guess there's a mix-up. Anyways, thank you so much for coming, Nivedita, and of course Akshara Reddy. I guess you're the one, so Miss Super Globe 2019, the only Indian to have an international pageant to have won the international pageant the same year, with girls from over 25 countries participating from all over the world. She outshone all of them, making India proud. So of course here's Mr. Venkateja, who is felicitating the both of them. We also have actress Upasana with us here today. Please come. Thank you very much. And should I have Mr. Venkateja say a few words?
Thank you all for coming for the launch of the all-new Jeep Wrangler. This car is very special to us as it embodies the brand Jeep. It is a true SUV and an absolute off-roader. It's superb to drive. It's an absolute wonder on the roads. And it's one of the best lifestyle cars that money can buy today. This car is locally assembled, so it comes in at a very attractive price point. We recently launched the all-new Compass here last month, and it's been a great success, and we're sure that the new Wrangler is going to be a fabulous success as well. Thank you all for coming. We'll wait to witness the launch of the new Wrangler. Thank you.
So before you leave, there's just a few gifts that you'd like to give. So while he's gifting our honored guests, Mr. Venkat Teja is our managing director. He's a racer, an automobile enthusiast, and a young entrepreneur to come forward and be a part of this whole dream. And I'd like to thank you once again. Thank you. Yes. Okay, so now it's time to unveil the star of the evening. To unveil, we have amidst us Mr. Karun Raman, the famous fashion choreographer. He was one of the first columnists for Deccan Chronicle, and he is also going to be choreographing the Rubaru Mr. India 2021 fashion beauty pageant. And I would like to welcome him here on the stage, please. Mr. Karun Raman and his team will now perform for us. Okay, so let's the show begin.
devil.